Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says, if for a certain reaction delta RH, that is change in enthalpy of a reaction, is 30 kilojoules per mole at 450 Kelvin, the value of delta Rs, that is change in entropy for the reaction, it should be in Joule Kelvin spontaneous at the same temperature is. So, 4 options दिए गए हैं A, B, C and D. A says it's minus 33, B says it's 33, C says it's minus 70 and D says it's 70. So, पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन में इन्वॉल्व हुए की कॉन्सेप्ट को समझते हैं. So, the key concept involved in this question is delta G, that is change in free energy and its relationship with delta RH, that is change in enthalpy of a reaction, and delta Rs, that is change in entropy of a reaction. So this we know, this we should know. Why? To determine for determining the spontaneity of a reaction. Determining the spontaneity of a reaction at a given temperature. At a given temperature. So, let's understand their relation. So, delta G is related to delta H and delta R by equation. Delta G is equal to delta RH minus T delta Rs. So, any reaction to be spontaneous, क्या होना चाहिए? Delta G हमेशा less than 0 होना चाहिए. This is for spontaneous reaction. So, we'll write the given data. So, question में जो भी डाटा दिया गया उसको हम लोग लिस्ट आउट करते हैं यहाँ पे. So, the given data in the question is enthalpy change is equal to 30 kilojoule per mole. So 30 joules में लिखना, we have to write get the answer in joules, therefore we'll convert this into joules. So this into kilo in the sense 1000. This is joule per mole. So it will become 30,000 joule per mole. Or next we are given with temperature which is 450 Kelvin. Next reaction should be spontaneous at this temperature. Therefore, delta G is less than 0. So, these are the given data from the question. Now, condition for spontaneity, that is equation we know, that is delta G is equal to delta RH minus T delta Rs. So, अगर इसको 0 होना है, that is delta G should be less than 0. In that case, this term, जो कि delta G is equal to this much, so even that should be less than 0. So, we are writing delta G in terms of delta H and delta S. So, this term should be less than 0. So, that means delta H, तो जो delta H क्या दिया गया क्वेश्चन में, enthalpy change, it is 30,000 joule per mole minus temperature क्या है, we are just substituting the values. 450 Kelvin दिया है into delta Rs, that we have to find out. This should be less than 0. Now we have to solve this for delta Rs. solve for delta Rs. Solve for delta Rs. So we can rearrange the inequality to solve this. So if we rearrange that, we can write 30,000 joule per mole is less than. So this is this value is brought down to the right hand side. So that will be पॉजिटिव. यहाँ पे माइनस था लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, यहाँ पे लेके आए तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. केल्विन इंटू डेल्टा आर एस. सो नाउ वी कैन राइट डेल्टा आर एस is greater than 30,000 joule per mole divided by 450 Kelvin. So now if we solve this, so delta Rs is greater than 66.67 joule per Kelvin mole. Among the given option, the value that satisfies this value is delta Rs is greater than 70 joule Kelvin mole. So this is near 70. So therefore, based on this, we can clearly say that option D, that is 70, is our correct answer. I hope you all have understood. All the best.